up YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm going to be unboxing today the Denon AVR-X2600H, brand new 2019 model. You guys know that we used the 2500 a lot last year. This is a great value. I actually already installed one and forgot to unbox it, but I wanted to get this out to you, know that we have it in stock and ready to ship with nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. So let's unbox it. Let's take a look. So this is the In Command series. Give you a little background on it. The In Command series has a 3-year warranty instead of a 1. It's also a better manufactured product. It's like, you know, going from your entry-level car to the premier package. The next step up from this is going with like Marantz. Marantz is the, I always like to say, the Lexus to Toyota. This would be your Toyota, but the top of the line there. It's a good model. Now, this is the remote. It doesn't look like anything's changed there. Now, this is a 7.2-channel receiver. Give you guys some ideas. You can use that in a theater room like this, where you're using all 7 channels. Or you could use a 5.1, like in a living room, like I did yesterday with this receiver, and then power up zone 2, like the patio. And it has independent zone control as well. Denon HEOS is built into this too, guys. I love Denon HEOS. Multi-room audio, basically. So you can stream your music straight to this unit right from your phone. You can also pair rooms together. So you can have like this room and your dining room and your kitchen all going through the same app at the same time. You can independently play music. It's pretty cool. Odyssey setup mic. This is just for calibrating the unit. If you're a homeowner, this is really valuable. And I think Denon does a really good job at their calibration tool. Wi-Fi ears and Bluetooth all right here. They even include labels. I think that's really nice. A lot of manufacturers don't. AM, FM that you never really use. Got a quick start guide. Warranty information. Guys, it's important that you're buying from an authorized reseller. If you do purchase a Denon receiver from somebody that's not authorized and it goes bad, you're just out of luck. So we are authorized to sell Denon, Marantz, JVC, all kinds of different products, pretty much anything and everything home theater related. So keep that in mind when you're buying your products, that we are authorized with that nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This is pretty cool. They actually include this little paper stand that allows you to set it up to ear height on the couch and helps with calibration. Now the unit itself. Power cord. First things first, aesthetically, pretty clean looking unit. Here's some of the specifications. 3-year warranty, 2600H, setup assist, Dolby Atmos enabled. Dolby Atmos, this is huge, guys. DTS, as well as specifications. 7.2, 185 watt. We got 8 inputs and 2 out. ARC. You have 4K, 6 frames per second. Also has HDR10, HLG enabled, as well as Dolby Vision for for all of you OLED users. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, Amazon, Sirius, Tidal, all that. Phono input, Odyssey, EQ, that's that calibration mic right here. Been in business since 1910. Let's take a look at the back. You got vents all over, make sure this guy can breathe. Pretty compact, it's a pretty small unit. So I'm gonna show you up close the back of this unit. Alright, so you got your monitor 1, ARC, monitor 2, HDCP 2.3. 4K. That's different. Last year's was DHP 2.2. Got your 7 inputs here on the back. You got network, coax. This is where your Wi-Fi ears goes. You got infrared, RS-232 control, AM, FM, analog inputs. There, you do not have pre-outs on this model. Got to get into a little higher class unit. And then you have your speaker outputs right here. All 7 channels. Pretty cool. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. That is the unboxing of the Denon AVR-X2600H 7.2-Channel receiver. If you would like to purchase this product, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee on all of these products, including this receiver right here. So if you'd like to buy, make sure you pick up the phone, give me a call, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to get this shipped out for you. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. We have tons of informative videos to help you guys make a buying decision. Our goal here at Dreamedia is to empower our customers and make sure that they know what they're buying. There's so many options out there. We'd like to make sure that you're making an informed buying decision. This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.